Airshow. I'm your host, Monica Breckenridge of the American Dream TV. This is so exciting. I've got chills and I'm shaking right now. Look at the crowd today. Everybody's coming here for the air show, and there's 30,000 tickets, and they are all sold out.
Don't worry, we got enough. I got you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Sure.
I'm Monica with the American Dream TV.
Nice to meet you, Monica.
I'm all about mindsets. I built my business, Pink Realty, all in mindset. I want to hear how your mindset was when you were being selected. How positive.
So my mindset, so I was selected from a group of applicants that applied to be on this team. Every single member of this team applies to be on this team, which is a very unique aspect in the military. There's not, most of the time in the military, you are told where to go. So this team is unique in that sense. I applied with some exceptionally talented people, just like every member of this team, and I was just lucky enough to get selected. So I don't know that I can necessarily speak to my mindset at the time, except to say that I put my best foot forward. At least I thought I did, and it worked out great. And I think that's what most members of our team would say.
Yes, but you believed in yourself and your ability to get the job.
At least enough to apply.
Yeah. How many G's do you guys pull when you're flying?
So the F-18 is designed to go up to 7.5, so, and we'll routinely see that in flight demonstrations. So 7.5 G's is the load limit for the aircraft, and we'll see that regularly.
And you're not wearing a G suit.
I'm not wearing a G suit. That's correct.
That is absolutely mind-boggling. I told my husband, he said, no, they wear G suits. And you don't wear a G suit.
That's correct.
That was crazy. How do you physically and mentally prepare for your flights?
Physical preparation takes a long time, and yes, mental preparation does as well. But the physical preparation just requires a good diet, working out regularly, and generally taking care of your body. Staying well hydrated is very important as well. In terms of mental preparation, that takes a little more time as well. A lot of studying, a lot of area study for specific air shows, and ensuring that we're ready to go and fly a safe flight demonstration day in and day out.
And I watched the Blue Angels movie, and I saw how physically demanding this is. What does it feel like when you're flying the plane? I heard it's like a full workout.
I think there's a lot of different ways to describe the feelings of flying the airplane. It is very busy. There's a lot of work to be done in the cockpit, both physical and mental work to be done. So I think most people would say they just feel like they're busy. There's not any idle time. You're not sitting there looking around ever. You're always doing something. You're always getting ready for the next thing. And we have an exceptional team. We've got 160 people on this team.
Yeah.
All of them are extremely good at what they do. We only have a handful of pilots. The vast majority of our team are not pilots. They work in aircraft maintenance and a bunch of other areas. And they're extremely important for this team to do what it does.
Thank you so much. That's all I have from you.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you too.
Of course.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
The mission of the Blue Angels is to showcase teamwork and professionalism of the United States Navy and Marine Corps through flight demonstrations and community outreach while inspiring a culture of excellence and service to our country. The Blue Angels proudly represent all the sailors and Marines who proudly serve this great nation across the globe.
2024 marks the 78th year of the Blue Angels. Since 1946, it has been our honor to represent the hundreds of thousands of men and women who serve in the United States Navy and Marine Corps. Each pilot has 2 crew chiefs, and when the jet is good to go, they do a signature handshake.
The 2024 Blue Angels.
Ladies and gentlemen, with the stars and stripes flying proudly above the cockpit, the Blue Angels C-130. Albert. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas.
Woohoo!
Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Madison, Wisconsin, Lieutenant Commander Griffin Stengel. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Mounds View, Minnesota, Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Lieutenant Commander Jack Keelty. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Skinnyapolis, New York, Commander Alex Armitage. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year for the past 78 years.
The Blue Angel F-18s can reach speeds just under Mach 2. That's almost twice the speed of sound, or about 1,400 miles per hour. But during the air show, they will fly no more than 700 miles per hour just so we can watch them. During the incredible Diamond 360 maneuver, the Hornets will fly 18 inches apart from each other. In this maneuver, the Blue Angels' #1 lead of the pack flies closely, just 1.5 feet from each other in a diamond shape.
The Blue Angel Hornets fly as close as 18 inches apart. That is absolutely mind-boggling to me. One small move, and it's a disaster.
The Blue Angel failed.
Where we got now? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wesley, please.
Yes. Friend of Dave. Oh, really? Oh, wow. I met you and your dad at cross country.
I don't know. Hey, how are you? What's 12? What did you write?
Wes, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it.
Take care. Just so everyone's aware, we will not move. So if you want to see other people, you have to go too.
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I'm gonna get a
I don't know where this came
At the end of the show, we were able to meet the Blue Angels and get autographs.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
And I can't wait to introduce you to Lieutenant Commander Amanda Lee. She is the first ever female pilot for the Blue Angels.
Sure can. Oh, you want one? Oh, rapid fire. Sure
Thank
can.
you.
Got it.
Thank you.
You got one of these? Thank you.
Can you hold this?
I will hold it. Now, where do you want her to sign?
Oh wait, there's actually 8.
In here or on your shirt, and then we'll get a picture.
Amanda, I am addicted.
Let's do that. No. Let's do it on your shirt, and let's get a picture.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing
They were so friendly, and Amanda Lee was a crowd favorite. Everybody was standing in line to meet her, and she was just so sweet interacting with everybody.
Picture? We can do that. Ready? Turn around the camera. Awesome.
I was a kid.
Yeah. I won't tell you where I was. 60 years old more.
Was? Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
PCSing to Colorado Springs, give Pink Realty a call and we can help you find your next dream home. We also have rental properties available. We know all the Air Force bases, military bases, and we can give you a tour of all of them.
On my next episode of the American Dream TV, you're in for the flight of a lifetime. I can't wait to present to you our 2024 78th year Blue Angels at our next air show coming soon.